Howdy guys, back again with another quick tool review plus tech tip, I guess. Tailgate tech tip today. We got Johansson here. But what I want to talk about today is this refillable sprayer. This is a True Power something or another, label worn off, link in the description, aerosol sprayer. So you just fill it up with whatever you want to spray and put I think 80 or 90 psi of air pressure on it, and you now have a refillable aerosol spray bottle for whatever you want. And what I bought it for is to put the world's best and least expensive penetrating oil solution in. Some of my other videos you've probably heard me call this the magic elixir, or the potion that Grandpa would have used, or the old farmer's potion or whatever. What it is you fill this guy with a 50-50 mix, so half ATF and half acetone. And when I say fill, I would suggest no more than about half, because you need space to be able to charge it with air. I accidentally filled it all the way up one time and had to refill it with air about every 12 seconds because I was burning it all. But anyway, that mixture, 50-50 acetone and ATF, is unbelievable. There are a lot of guys that have a lot of opinions, and I'm just another guy with an opinion, right? For me, this is my favorite. It works way better than PB Blaster, which is actually one of my least favorites. Better than WD-40, better than Liquid Wrench, which is maybe my second favorite. And this stuff is basically pennies on the dollar compared to all that other stuff. You go down to Walmart, this size can, so a quart of acetone is about $5. You get your Super Tech transmission fluid, or frankly, you probably use used transmission fluid, it doesn't matter, for $2. And for $7, you've got half a gallon of penetrating oil. Give you an idea, I bought this sprayer over 2 years ago, and this was the original bottle of acetone. I've used it for other stuff, and it's still got about a third left in it. This is also the original quart of oil. It's got about a third left in it too. Absolutely fantastic stuff, absolutely great on your budget. Highly recommended. One thing to keep in mind though is you are spraying stuff with acetone. So make sure you're not spraying on paint, and if you do, get it washed off of there quick with something. So this is best for, let's say, like suspension components and brake lines and stuff where paint damage isn't really a risk. But anyway, I love this stuff. I hope you guys try it out and you love it too. I really like this bottle. I was concerned that it would have issues with acetone over time, and no problems at all. I think this bottle was like 14 bucks or something. So in the 2.5 years or whatever since I've had this, that's the equivalent of like, I don't know, 3 or 4, all in we're probably talking about 5 cans of PB Blaster, and I've got half a gallon set up and ready to spray for the same price, and I assume this thing's going to last for several more years. In fact, I'm about ready to buy another one of these for spraying Simple Green for like cleaning the grill and stuff, so I don't have to for half my life. And I've got to replace the exhaust manifold on the TJ here real soon, so I'll just get it soaking now. I'll just give you guys a little demonstration. Just like regular old penetrating oil. Actually, this thing sprays a little foamy, which I actually kind of like, because I think it kind of foams up and gets in the threads and stuff pretty good. But anyway, I hope you appreciated that. Hope some of you guys try it out. If you do and it works out for you, let me know. If you do and it doesn't, let me know. If you enjoyed this, consider becoming a subscriber and coming on back for more stuff like this. Thanks guys, we'll see you later.